Hello and welcome to this lesson where I'm going to be talking about every trade is unique. And what does that mean? So, when we trade, let's say I have a drawing right here. Let's say we take this first trade, right? We take this first trade, it's a winner. We take the second trade, it's a winner also. And we take the third trade, it's a winner. So, what do we think on the fourth trade that this eventually will also become a winner? But it doesn't work that way because we don't know when the next winner will be and we don't know when the next loser will be. All right? Because every trade is unique. Every trade is for itself. You can take the perfect entry. You can take the perfect entry today and have it be a loss. You can take the exact same entry tomorrow and have it be a win. And this is what trading does with you. It it contradicts each other's ways of trading. And you can take let's do it again. You can take a trade today that is perfect and you can have a win. You can take the same trade tomorrow and you can also have a win and you can take the same trade on the day after that and you risk more and that is when you lose, right? You just flip it over. You can take one trade today that is a loser. You lost that trade. You can take the same setup tomorrow, and that can also be a loser. And on the third day, you can see the exact same trade, and that can be a winner. That's how it works. So the truth is, two situations are exactly the same, but it's like playing the game, but every round is different. Every round is different because every trade is unique. There are new people coming into the market every day. Every new person that comes into the market changes how the market will be, changes how the market will react. You can use the same strategy, what's in our control, but you can't expect the same result. The, the, the kicker, the whole nugget of this lesson is that every trade is unique and just keep doing the same setup and the same process that you've been doing over and over again. The solution here, detach from the results. A winning trade, okay. A losing trade, okay. The same okay on both of them. So follow the process every time. I'm keep saying this to follow the process because the process really is the goal. The thing you do on a daily basis, the decision making you do on a daily basis, that is what trading is. And accept the outcomes that the outcomes will vary. Sometimes you take a perfect quality setup, and sometimes you take another perfect equality setup, and one of those are winners, the other one is a loser. So focus on execution, not winning. I'm going to read you a quote right here by Kobe Bryant. Weakness is you are reliant on a loss or a win. You have to be in the moment. When you lose, you are sad, and when you win, you are happy. That is by definition weakness because you're reliant on an outside source to dictate your outcome. You run from loss and you chase a win. A real pro, a real pro is in the moment and the outcomes just take care of themselves. That was, I love this quote. I love this by Kobe Bryant because it doesn't matter. Like I hope you reach that level. If you reach 10K January, 10K February, 10K March, right? Then what? April is still gonna be there, and you can blow all the 10Ks that you made January, February, March in April because you're not following the process. That's how it works. Lesson check-in. Take a moment to think about how do you react after a win and after a loss? What's happening inside of you? I'm interested to know. One sentence is enough. Feel free to share it below with the community. And as always, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and the school community. And I will love it if you left a comment on the YouTube video to make it have it catch it on the so the YouTube will catch it on the algorithm and it will spread to other people that needs this information. I know it's a hassle to do it, but feel free to just write a simple comment in the YouTube section. It will really help me out. Thank you so much and talk to you in the next lesson. Bye.